To make a parlay on Bovada, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Sportsbook section. A parlay is a type of bet that involves combining multiple individual wagers into one bet, with the potential for higher payouts. First, select the sport and league you want to bet on, such as NFL or NBA. Then, choose the specific games you want to include in your parlay. You can select multiple games from the same league or combine games from different leagues. Next, decide on the type of bets you want to make, such as point spreads, money lines, or over-unders. For example, you might choose to bet on the point spread for one game and the money line for another. Once you have selected your games and bets, add them to your bet slip. The bet slip will display the total odds and potential payout for your parlay. Be sure to review your selections carefully, as parlays can be complex and mistakes can be costly. To place your parlay bet, enter the amount you want to wager and confirm your selections. Keep in mind that all legs of the parlay must win in order for the bet to pay out. If any leg loses, the entire parlay loses. Best practices for making parlays on Bovada include starting with smaller, more manageable parlays and gradually increasing the number of legs as you gain experience. It is also essential to set a budget and stick to it, as parlays can be tempting but also carry higher risks. Additionally, consider using Bovada's Parlay Builder tool, which allows you to easily create and customize your parlays. The tool will automatically calculate the odds and potential payout for your parlay, making it easier to make informed decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed and successful parlay bets on Bovada. Remember to always bet responsibly and within your means, and to take advantage of the resources and tools available to you to get the most out of your betting experience.